Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to see how you can actually use Claude Code for free. Because you already know that Claude Code is a paid subscription. Okay, you have to pay to use Claude Code because the Anthropic use the model behind. There's a paid model. Okay, that's why you have to take a subscription of the Claude, and the Claude subscription around 2000 per month. But as a student, if you don't have money, so that is why we will see in this video how you can actually use Claude Code for free. Okay, please watch that video till then. For that we use Ollama. I think those who don't know what is Ollama, Ollama is a platform where you can get free open source model. Okay, freely you can get open source model as a cloud version, or as a you can download in a local system and you can use this. Okay, so Ollama is the best option to use open source model. So this is the Ollama website. Just type Ollama in Google and just hit enter, you will get this site. Okay, so first of all you have to do one thing, just you have to install the Ollama in your computer. Okay, for that you have to just copy this thing. Okay, this thing you have to copy this thing. Okay, and then go to PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, and I'll open it, and you have to just install this. Okay, paste this and install this. I have already installed this, so I don't want to install it again. So just you have to just hit the enter button and you have to just install this. Okay, after installing Ollama, you have to install one another thing, that is Claude Code. Okay, otherwise it will not work. For that, this is the website. Just write Claude Code docs, you will get this website. I will also attach the all of the link in the description of the video, and just go to the site and you will see over here the option, this option. Okay, for Windows, if you're using Mac, so if you go with this option, and if you're using Windows, so you'll select this. Just copy this. Okay, and you have to come to the PowerShell and you have to paste this also and hit the enter button. But I will not install this again. I have already installed this, so you have to just hit the enter button and it will install automatically. I think it will take some time to install it, but it will install. Okay, then you have to go to VS Code. This is a VS Code terminal. If you didn't have a install VS Code, just install it and just create a folder. I have already created a folder, Claude Ollama, and just created a folder, and I have already created a virtual environment. I think you guys know how to create a virtual environment. If you don't know how to create a virtual environment, just Google it or ChatGPT. You will get the idea. And if you don't want to use virtual environment, just you can use it in a local system directly. So I have already created a virtual environment, and just you have to run a one command. Okay, just scroll down and you'll see over here. You can see model and you can docs. You see over here how you can actually use Ollama using VS Code. Okay, there is a option you can get, and this is the thing, Claude Code. Okay, documentation. If you get the Claude Code documentation, Ollama Claude Code documentation, and you'll see I have already installed this. So just run this command, Ollama launch Claude. Okay, and just go to the VS Code and enter the space this and enter. Okay, let's see. Here's the you have to select the model, Kemi K2 Queen 3.5 GLM 5 GLM 4.7. You have to choose the model. So I choose Queen. So keep it as it is, already selected Queen. So you have to just scroll and you have to select the model and hit the enter button. Okay, I hit the enter button. Let's see. The Claude Code launched and you can ask the query over here. So I'll ask some query. Let's see. I'll ask hi fast. Hi, I can see you have a calculator project open, so I can help it. So I'll create that. I have already created one project, so I'll also recreate this. Okay, like please make a professional or calculator. Make a PowerShell calculator with GUI. Okay, and hit enter. Let's see how it's working. It will take some time because we use cloud model, and if you use also, you can also use the local model. I also show you that how you can do this. It will take some time. It will take some time. So before for that, I just go to the Ollama website and I'll show you that how you can actually use local model. Okay, you can go to the model and you can see the list of the model. So just search Queen 2.6, I think. This model. Okay, this is the base model. You can use it for coding purpose. You can download it. 5 billion parameter, 7 billion, 14 billion, 32 billion. So for this, if you want to download the model in your local system, so you have to just size is matter. So your RAM if very less in your local system, so it will not work. Okay, it will be very slow. And if your RAM is 24 GB, 32 GB, then it will be work smoothly. You can download the local 32 3 billion model. You just run this code in the command prompt or PowerShell, so it will be download in your local system. Okay, this is how you can use a local model in your Claude code. And let's see the it will be working or not. Do you make to this edit calculator API? Yes, just click enter. You can see over here they already created a file calculator API and they have written all the code to make the calculator. Okay, so do you want to pause it? Yes, just get enter. Just create enter. Let's see. This is a calculator. Okay, just 7 plus 7 into 5, 35. Okay, this is a scientific calculator, PowerShell calculator. You can use this. Okay, this is how you can use actually Claude code in your freely as a freely. Okay, because you don't need to pay 2000 per month. You can use Claude code free. So for that also have the restriction, because if you use the open source model, I will go to the settings. I will show you what is actually happening. So this also have the limit. Okay, you can't use the model to make the lots of projects. You can simply make 1 or 2 projects maybe. Otherwise, your free users will be end. Okay, for that you have to use local model. You have to download the model. You're going to use this, but for this you have to. It will be slow a little bit. Okay, but you can use this. You can create 2-3 account, Ollama account, and you can use it for your project easily. Okay, so it will be so 20% used. I will create 2 projects, so you 20%, very small project. And if you, I think one project you can use it. Otherwise, maybe 2 or 3 project you can't make this. Okay, in 1 month. Okay, so this is how you can actually use Cloud Code free. You can see this is the code. So if you like this particular video, please thumbs up. If you have any query, please let me know in the comment section.